Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. Lesson 6. Do you want something to drink?
David, would you like something to eat?
No, I'm full.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, I'd like some coffee.
Sorry, I don't have any coffee.
That's okay, I'll have a glass of water.
A small glass, or a big one?
Small, please.
Here you go.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Lesson 7. That's too late. Mary, would you like to get something to eat with me?
When?
At 10 o'clock.
10 in the morning?
No, at night.
Sorry, that's too late. I usually go to bed around 10 p.m.
Okay, how about 1:30 p.m.?
No, that's too early. I'll still be at work then.
How about 5 p.m.?
That's fine.
Okay, see you then.
All right. Bye.
Lesson 8. Choosing a time to meet. Jennifer, would you like to have dinner with me?
Yes. That would be nice. When do you want to go?
Is today okay?
Sorry, I can't go today.
How about tomorrow night?
Okay, what time?
Is 9 p.m. all right?
I think that's too late.
Is 6 p.m. okay?
Yes, that's good. Where would you like to go?
The Italian restaurant on 5th Street.
Oh, I don't like that restaurant. I don't want to go there.
How about the Korean restaurant next to it?
Okay, I like that place.
Lesson 9. When do you want to go?
Hi, Mark.
Hi.
What are you planning to do today?
I'm not sure yet. Would you like to have lunch with me?
Yes. When?
Is 11:30 a.m. okay?
Sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you say that again, please?
I said 11:30 a.m.
Oh, I'm busy then. Can we meet a little later?
Okay, how about 12:30 p.m.?
Where?
How about Bill's Seafood Restaurant?
Oh, where is that?
It's on 7th Street.
Okay, I'll meet you there.
Lesson 10. Ordering food.
Hello, sir. Welcome to the French Garden Restaurant. How many?
1.
Right, this way. Please have a seat. Your waitress will be with you in a moment. Hello, sir. Would you like to order now?
Yes, please.
What would you like to drink?
What do you have?
We have bottled water, juice, and Coke.
I'll have a bottle of water, please.
What would you like to eat?
I'll have a tuna fish sandwich and a bowl of vegetable soup.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.